We're in southern Utah with Cassidy's family, and we're hiking today. Holy crap. We've got Cassidy, we've got Corbin, we've got Micah Burke, and Jake's here. You just said it's his birthday today. So everybody leave a comment saying, happy birthday, Jake.
So they're gonna have a competition to see who can both go down the slides twice, the fastest. You guys ready? On your mark, get set, go. And Cass wins!
Oh, dang it. Look who it is! We've got Bryce and Nelly coming with us. So we're hiking Canaryville Falls today. One of the coolest hikes we've ever been on. So excited to show you guys. Alright, this is where the hike gets really good. We all had to go right here to try and get over. Super slippery, but we all made it without slipping, which is really nice. Here goes Bryce.
So something you gotta be careful for traveling in the safaris, the pine needles. They look similar, but they're different colors. You see here, there's a lot of green, you don't want to be touching it. Last time we were here, we came across this natural water slide, and it's so cool. Whoa. You come down right here, and we were able to do it last time, but the water looks like it's too low, so we won't be able to do it. Plus it's so cold. Let's see it, Corbin. Come on.
It's getting really cloudy and dark, so we have to hurry home. Woo! Back to our cars. Hopefully you can hear this, because it's super windy too.
It's okay though, we just have to walk in freezing water to get back, so it's fine.
No big deal.
Yeah, I'm good.
I went down. I'm all muddy. I'm bleeding. But it was worth it.
He starts to slip.
Oh. Spread eagle.
All right, we made it.
We literally cannot stop playing this game. Every time that we come down to southern Utah, we have to play. And I think we're getting better too. Cassidy is killing it. But good news is we've got Bryce and Nelly here. And they're gonna learn how to play today.
Yeah.
Nelly and Bryce are about to have the most epic comeback ever. Did you get it? These boys just lost to the Jergies. They were down 6-2 and then we were playing to 7. They came back up and won. Superstars. How do you feel, Jer? How do you feel, Nelly? Woo!
For being blind, that like worked out really well for me.
Oh yeah, Nelly doesn't have her glasses. She can't see anything. And they beat you.
Full name, please.
Cassidy Bryn Anderson.
Age?
Is that your real name?
23.
Were you and Jenna together?
We were playing pickleball
Why did you pickle the ball?
because I didn't do that.
So you're saying you're not guilty?
I'm innocent. I'm
Of
free.
what? Of what?
Everything.
What are the claims against you?
None.
Then why are you here?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Oh, we got the wrong guy.
Shoot.
I'm a girl.
Oh, never mind.
What's your favorite color?
We're back.
Oh, okay.
April 17th, 3 p.m.
What's today?
What was the last meal you
23rd.
had before then?
The last one.
Before 3 p.m. on April 17th.
Breakfast cereal.
What kind of cereal? Why are you being so vague? What do you have to hide?
You know the kind that has like the wheat on it?
Wrong.
That's like fat.
Oh yeah, no, that's right actually.
Mini spooners?
Mini spoons.
What questions do you have for us?
When can I leave?
Do you have a lawyer?
I mean, I drove.
Lawyer!
Then she don't have to talk.
Who are you?
He's my lawyer.
I'm the lawyer.
How old are you?
16.
Where's your law firm?
Draw with your finger what you did while playing pickleball today.
Okay.
Draw the details. What did you bury? Draw it. What did you bury?
Tell us how you killed him. You
I feel like it counts as a confession.
This is our typical visit Cassidy's family trip because we have to get Yogurtland. We just have to. I am the champion, my friend. It's like more relaxing to sing while you do this.